With the current economic situation in the country, I was able to achieve this pot of potato porridge with only 1,000 naira. You want to find out? So guys, let's go. Follow me. Tomato 200, pepper 100. So I have palm oil and the rest of them. So let's go cooking. So before we start, I always advise we should always wash our hands. So you wash your hands, okay? You wash our hands first before we start cooking. Okay? So I'll wash my hands first. So aside from the potato, tomato, pepper, scent leaf, I have crayfish and palm oil. So aside from those things, these are what I was able to achieve with 1,000 naira. So you see, you can still make it. And it's thoroughly washed. I boiled water while it's boiling. It's boiling, so let me wash this one. Then what I did next was to slice the fresh tomato and also slice my onion. Yes. Then one thing I love is I love pounding with my small mortar with the pistol. So I pounded my pepper and also pounded the crayfish. So you can see. I'll be adding my pepper. So in here, I thoroughly picked my scent leaf and I washed. Yes, after washing, I sliced it into a smaller chunk. Yes, so because that is the main leaf we are using for the food, then I added it inside my food. Yes, at this juncture, I just add it and cover and bring it down because once I add leaf, my food is ready. That's it. That doesn't mean you cannot use any leaf of your choice. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Okay. Ta-da! The food is ready. At least from the look of the food, you see that the food looks so yummy and inviting. So please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and more recipe are still coming on your way. So watch out, sit down, watch out trim. So this is me telling you, thanks for watching. If you love this recipe, give it a try, and love you guys, and don't forget to thumbs up and follow us for more recipes like this. Love you. Bye.